Hello, my name's Elise and I'm the branch manager at McKale Estate and Property Management. We are a sales and lettings company in NE5. But with our previous system, it was really time consuming. Customers would have to call the branch and explain all of the issues on the phone. Since using MaintainPad, we've found that the system's made our lives a lot easier. Customers just log on to our website, report a repair, they put their property address, a different category from what's going on. So for example, it'll have like a heating category. They can attach photos and do a full description. We then log on our portal and we can see everything that's been logged with the tenant, which just means we don't have any time with calls or emails. It's a lot more time efficient and a lot more organised. I have also started using Checkki, and this is for inspections of inventories. It's all logged onto a system and it means that we're completely paperless now. Super easy to log on, type in the property address and see all the inspections and inventories that we've done. It's just ticky boxes, so going around a property, it's just really easy. And then any damages and stuff, we can take photos as well whilst we're at the property. The staff have found the Checkki for our inspections and inventories very helpful. Rather than hunting through a filing cabinet trying to find inspections to send to landlords and tenants, it's a lot easier to just log on the portal and find it straight away. We have also started using the key management system. Is again all paperless and it's just super easy process. We can log on, see how many keys have been logged out, who they've been logged out to, when they return back, and people that have got the keys also get a notification to say that it's due for the keys to be brought back as well. If someone was thinking of switching to MaintainPad, I would 100% tell them to go ahead. They've made our life in the branch so much easier. All the staff of Up to 30 are really helpful. Whenever we have a technical issue, something to do with the website maintenance or just general technical inquiries, we'll just pop them over an email or give them a call and it gets sorted straight away. I feel like the customer service that they provide is absolutely exceptional.